Africa, the world's second largest and most diverse continent, boasts a varied landscape. High Atlas Mountains in the north, the formidable Sahara, Sahel Plains, lush forests in West and Central Africa, rolling savanna in Eastern Africa, and fertile lands in Southern Africa. Home to 1.2 billion people, each country has a unique history, culture, and mode of subsistence. It is also host to the world's largest diversity of fauna and flora, surrounded by seas and oceans, teeming with diverse sea life. Once an ecological and environmental jewel, Africa faces its severest existential threat due to climate change wreaking havoc on lives and livelihoods. Despite contributing the least to this global disaster, the continent bears its full brunt. Disrupted rainy seasons, failed crops, and devastating cyclones and floods have led to setbacks in development gains, pushing more people into chronic destitution and food insecurity. Amidst these challenges, the African risk capacity remains optimistic. While Africa alone cannot undo global warming, it can mitigate the effects of climate change, build resilience, and improve communities' adaptive capacities. Despite international pledges, lasting solutions must come from Africa itself. In 2012, the African Union formed the African Risk Capacity Agency with a mandate to help governments plan, prepare, and respond to climate threats and disease outbreaks. The Ark Insurance Company Limited, the financial affiliate, handles risk pooling and transfer for parametric weather insurance. The group offers a compelling value proposition that brings together 4 critical elements of preparedness for member states: capacity building, early warning, risk pooling, and risk transfer, with the aim to strengthen disaster risk management systems. Africa's agriculture heavily relies on natural climate patterns. The African Risk Capacity addresses the disruptions caused by climate change by pooling disaster risks across countries and creating a collective risk profile for the entire group, making it more manageable. This unique approach efficiently manages climate risks and makes disaster insurance more accessible. Since being founded in 2012, the African Risk Capacity works with member states to safeguard lives and livelihoods, contribute to a more proactive Africa, and shape a better future. While disasters do not discriminate, they disproportionately affect certain demographics, particularly women and children. At ARC, we prioritise gender mainstreaming in all our programmes towards driving gender equality and changing discriminatory social norms in member states. This is just the beginning. ARC collaborates with continental authorities and stakeholders in the climate space to echo the African voice on global platforms and support Africa's climate action. As we strive to increase our reach and impact on the continent, join us in our mission to find African solutions to African problems towards protecting Africa and safeguarding its future. ARC, Sovereign Disaster Risk Solutions.